Hello, Twitter world. Now, our next subject will be the Ratchet hoes, Ratchet hoes. Okay. What I don't get is the Ratchet hoes who come to the club. They actually come to the club, tight dresses, no panties, makeup on, everything, but these hoes won't let you dance. These hoes rather sit with their friends. You know, they bring one fat friend, Bertha. Bring Bertha with them, and they just in the club like this. And you just be sitting there like, you think, you go to your friends, you like, I should dance with her. And their friends are she like, nigga, you can't fool her. No one in their mind, they setting your ass up for the Ratchet hoe experience. So here you go. What's up, girl? They call me PJ. What's your name? And she just look at your ass like, my name is Keisha. I don't want to talk to you. Nigga, you broke. Nigga, ew, girl. Mercedes, look, this nigga trying to talk to me and everything. I don't really like this nigga. Why he trying to talk to me? Why he all up in my face? Ew. And you just looking at her like, you stupid bitch. Your ass came to the club, mini skirt on, no panties, no dress. Bitch, you naked. And you talking about I can't dance with you? Are you too classy for me to dance with you? You too classy now? Really? You're too classy. I can't dance with you. Seriously. And she just sitting like, hell no, you can't dance with me. Too classy, but niggas like you ain't fucking shit over here. This pussy is too damn good. And then you sitting there in your mind like, bitch, I can't feel your pussy good. How can I feel your pussy good? That shit working all over the club floor. You motherfucking ratchet hoe. What the fuck is your problem, bitch? Now, next subject, ratchet hoes again. This time, you walking down the street. You see a ratchet hoe, but you don't know she a ratchet hoe until you walk up to her and she be like smiling and shit, and she ain't got none of this, and she be like, hey, what's your name? And you be like, see you? Gotta go. This is Don J for real for another one. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you learned a lesson about ratchet hoes. And approach some hoes in the club, and watch who you approach when you walking down the street. Cause that hoe might not have no teeth. I'm out.